Hello, this is Manish Tiwari, a professor in Electronics and Communication Engineering at Manipal University, Jaipur, in India. Here I am presenting a proof of concept and prototype of an FSO link alignment system. In FSO systems, the communication is line of sight communication, and if the transmitter misses the receiver, the link is disturbed and communication is interrupted. So we have developed a system which detects the disturbance in alignment of the link and autocorrects itself. The unique thing about this system is that it is wireless system, that is there are no wires connected between transmitter and receiver. So let us have a look at the demonstration. Initially the link is not connected and the spot of the laser is visible on the wall. Slowly the transmitter starts moving to find the receiver. The most important thing here is the resolution and precision in each step of rotation. So here the transmitter keeps rotating and it searches for the receiver, and as soon as the laser falls on the receiver, the rotation of the transmitter stops. So it means that the link has been established between the receiver and the transmitter, and when the link is disturbed again, the system detects it automatically and starts searching for the receiver again. So as you can see here that we are disturbing the receiver, and the transmitter is again starting to search the receiver. So the transmitter is again rotating and it is searching for the receiver, which is installed on another building, and the transmitter is on one building. So this is specifically useful in case of the communication at long distances where the optical fibers cannot be laid. So as soon as you see that the transmitter found the receiver, it stops there, and the link gets established and the communication starts. This autocorrection feature saves the link downtime and manpower and costs associated to correct it. This system can be used in stationary and mobile FSO systems for various applications. So this is all about the system, and very soon we plan to come up with a Li-Fi product based on the system. Thank you very much.